Align your organization's branding with your Brightspace learning environment by creating a theme. This tutorial shows how to create a theme. To begin, click Admin Tools. Then, navigate to Navigation and Themes. Click it, and click Themes. Then, click Create Theme. Enter a name. Next, import your logo. You can upload or drag and drop a local file onto the upload target, or choose existing logo images from shared files if available. For this example, drag and drop the file onto the upload target. Next, navigate to Primary Color. Adjust the primary and accent colors. Primary color changes the appearance of the navbar link area and the table of contents in the lessons experience. Accent color changes the appearance of the top color strip. In the Primary Colors section, select Choose Colors. Click Change Primary Color. Enter the hex value of a specific color by selecting More, or select a color from the palette. A preview displays, and you will be informed if WCAG AA standards for small text are not met. To try to resolve this, click the Foreground menu and select from light or dark foreground text. Next, change the accent color. Click Choose a Color. Then, click Change Accent Color and select a color. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Note, themes must be applied to a navbar in order to display chosen colors and logos. Align your organization's branding with your Brightspace learning environment by creating a theme.